Hi, my name is Dana Johnson and I have a fun aquatic craft for kids with food. So basically we're going to start out here very simple. Just some of these fish-shaped crackers. That's going to go on the side. Also you'll need a roll, some tuna, some mayonnaise, some cheese, and a spear. And maybe just some blue food color. And I'll show you how this little aquarium meal will all come together. So all you need to do is get any type of dinner roll, and you just want to carve out the center. Very simple. Prepare your tuna just how you like it. You know, just adding the mayonnaise in. Some people like to add relish or paprika or different things. Some people even like to put hard-boiled egg. So whatever works for you. But these are what I like to call tuna boats. And there's your roll stuffed with the tuna. I'm also going to cut a piece of cheese in a triangle to make the sail and put it on a toothpick for your boat. So you have your fish, you have your tuna boat, you have your sail, and then water in the diet is also very important, but just to give it that aquatic feel, go ahead and add a couple drops of blue food color. Give it a stir, and there you have it, a fun food craft for kids. You can see more of my recipes at danasfamilykitchen.com.